What's for dinner?
Oh my goodness. Delicious. Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z and welcome back to my channel, Chef Z Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best grilled shrimp with a chimichurri sauce. And the best part about it is that you can actually make these grilled shrimp in an indoor grill, outdoor grill, honestly, whatever grill that you have. Let's go ahead and jump right into the recipe.
This grilled shrimp recipe is perfect for a summer night or even a busy night because it's very easy and very quick to make. So to kick things off, we're going to begin by making the sauce, and we're going to take some fresh parsley. We're going to roll it up into a nice tight bunch, and then we're going to start dicing it very finely, just like you see right here. Now in the past, I have made the sauce in a food processor or a blender, which you can totally do, but as you can see, it's just as easy to use your knife. So once you've diced up all of the fresh parsley, we're going to go ahead and we're going to place it into the bowl. You want to be very careful not to cut yourself. We're going to take some red pepper flakes, and then to that we're also going to add some local honey. Now adding a little bit of sweetness really takes this sauce to the next level. And afterwards we're going to take some fresh lime and we're going to zest the outer edge. Now you want to make sure to just zest the outer edge and not the white peel, because that can get a little bitter. And then you want to go ahead and take the 2 lemons, cut them in half, and juice them as well. The lemon is honestly my favorite part of this whole entire sauce because it gives it that vibrant flavor that makes you just think of summer. So after you squeeze every single last bit of juice from the lemon, we're going to go ahead and now we're going to start zesting the garlic. Now I highly recommend that you zest the garlic and don't chop the garlic, because if you have chunks of garlic that are too big, it can come off a little strong. We're then going to add some kosher salt along with some fresh black pepper, and then to finish everything off, we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil, and you want to add just enough olive oil to cover the sauce, and then we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. Now this sauce smells amazing and it tastes even better, and you want the sauce to be nice and chunky just like you see right here. And afterwards we're now going to start seasoning the shrimp, and the seasoning is actually very simple. We're going to add some garlic powder, and then to that we're also going to add some onion powder, and we're also going to add some ground coriander. Now if you don't have ground coriander at your local grocery store, I'll make sure to link it down below because it gives it a nice citrusy flavor, which is going to complement with the sauce very nicely. We're also going to add some chili powder just for some subtle heat, along with some kosher salt and black pepper and a tiny bit of olive oil. And then we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. And what we've essentially done is that we've created somewhat of a dry rub to coat the shrimp, which is really going to give it excellent flavor. Now the good thing is that you don't have to let the shrimp marinate at all, so you can season this and then throw it on the grill. Now I'm using an indoor grill, but you can definitely use an outdoor grill, and over medium-high heat we're going to very carefully place our shrimp on the grill. And the shrimp cooks very quickly, so the minute that they begin to turn color from that grayish color to an orange color, we're gonna go ahead and flip them over. And I want to add that depending on the size of shrimp that you're using, the cook times will vary. Today I'm using extra large wild caught shrimp, and after about 4 minutes total, my shrimp are perfectly cooked, so I'm going to take them off, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make sure to drizzle them with some sauce. You want to be very careful not to overcook your shrimp so that they don't come out rubbery. Now my favorite part is adding that yummy sauce that we've made ahead of time, which by the way, this sauce is great on some other proteins like chicken and pork, and this shrimp is something that you can eat with tacos or your favorite sides. So there you guys have it. That's my recipe for some grilled shrimp. Until next time, I'm Chef Z y buen provecho.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Now, we cook up a storm over here on my channel, so be sure to subscribe, click that bell so that you're notified each and every single week when I post an all-new video. And if you need some inspiration on what to cook next, just go ahead and click right here.